Welcome back to the LCP Digital Learning Channel. My name is Aaron Rogers, and today I'm going to do a quick tip on how to set up something on your iPad that will allow it to speak things that are on the screen. This would be really helpful if you have kids who have tests that need to be read to them, if you have kids who have some learning disabilities with reading, but you still want to make sure that they're able to have access to things that are written on the iPads. So let me walk you through this real quick, and you can utilize it in your classroom. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is go into your settings. In settings, you want to go under general. Okay, once you're in general, I want you to go into accessibility. Now, inside accessibility are a whole lot of tools that you can play with in order to kind of help your kids in areas they might be struggling. The one I want you to go to is speech right here. Now, on speech, there's a couple different tools that you can turn on. Speak selection means that when I highlight some text, there's an option for it to speak it to me. And then speak screen allows me to use a two-finger swipe down from the top, and it will just speak everything that I have on this page. Okay, highlight content. I can turn this on if I want it to highlight the words that it's speaking. Under voices is what I want you to go to. When you go into voices, I'm going to use English, and I'm going to turn on Siri. Siri to me seems to have the most natural voice out of all of the computer voices. So now I'm going to go back. So once the speak selection and the speak screen are on, let's go ahead and go into a Word document. So here's a document that I've just pulled in some just real quick text. The two-finger swipe down.
Blank 38. Body. About the story. Read this story to find out about Harriet's visit to a friend.
I can speed up the text.
About the story. Read the story. This story to
slow
find
down
out
the
about
text.
Harriet's visit to a friend.
Pause, and then the X exits it out. So two-finger swipe down is going to read everything on the screen, or I can highlight what I want to be read, and then I can speak.
About the story. Read this story to find out about Harriet's visit to a friend.
So now I want to show you that one setting where it highlights the words. I'm going to go back into those settings. And the one that says highlight content, I can turn this on and I can have it highlight words. Okay, so now when I go back to this document, if I highlight this document, when I tell it to speak,
about the story. Read this story to find out about Harriet's visit to a friend.
So this might help with those kids who really need some direction when they're doing some reading, helps them go left to right, helps them point out those words. So a couple of these tools might be really helpful for some kids who need a little bit of extra support in your classroom. Hope that tip was helpful. Have a great day.
If you found this video helpful, make sure and hit that like button.
To make sure you get more videos like this, be sure to click right here to subscribe and to click the bell to make sure you get notifications.
If you'd like to submit a topic or concept for future videos, there's a link in the description down below.
And if you're looking for more digital learning tips and tricks, make sure to follow us on Twitter.